Concrete resurfacing in Palm Beach. You won't believe the result. A cracked, faded pool deck isn't just ugly, it's a hazard. This Palm Beach homeowner's deck was a minefield of cracks, dangerously slick when wet and scorching hot under the Florida sun. Tearing it all out meant a 5-figure price tag and weeks of chaos. But what if there's a better way? In this video, we'll show you how we transform this dated pool deck into a beautiful, non-slip paradise in just a few days, for a fraction of the cost of a full replacement. Stick around to see how it's done. First, let's look at the problems. Deep cracks that are serious trip hazards, a worn-down surface that's incredibly slippery, and concrete that gets dangerously hot. Our solution begins with prep work, the foundation of a lasting finish. We use industrial diamond grinders to remove the old failing surface. This crucial step opens the pores of the concrete, allowing the new overlay to form a permanent bond. After grinding, we address the damage. We chase and fill every crack with a specialized, flexible epoxy that moves with the concrete to prevent them from returning. This isn't a band-aid, we're fixing the damage for good. With the deck prepped and repaired, the real transformation begins. We apply a polymer-modified concrete overlay using a hopper gun. While the material is wet, we use a trowel to create a knockdown texture. This creates a surface that's still textured for safety, but feels comfortable underfoot. Next, we roll on a light-colored acrylic coating. Lighter colors reflect sunlight and absorb less heat, a key part of our cool deck system. Finally, we apply a premium clear sealant. This makes the surface non-porous to resist stains, protects it from UV damage, and contains a hidden non-slip grit for extra safety, even when wet. Just a few days ago, this was a cracked, slippery, and ugly pool deck. And now, the transformation is night and day. This is the centerpiece of the backyard. The light color and knockdown texture are elegant, comfortable, and safe. Every crack is gone, and the cool deck finish is already reflecting that intense Florida heat. We added serious value and safety to this home by saving the existing concrete. This is the power of modern resurfacing. So if you have a tired patio or pool deck, remember, don't replace it. Resurface it. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. For a quote in the Palm Beach area, visit our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformations.